Alright, you guys. So, I am. Shit, let me try to figure out how to get this straight. Sorry, Mario, I'm about to use your picture. Whew. But yeah, I'm looking crazy right now because I am. Stop, Mama. I got that. Thank you. Y'all, I know I'm supposed to record today because it's doing my hair. And I did not bring everything with me. Like, stop, Mario. Stop. You want to go play with some toys? No. Mm-mm. Ooh. Ooh. Let me see. Yeah, you don't want to mess with that. That's mine. Can give me. Go see who it is. Yeah, she do the most when her siblings come. Hey, nephew.
Are you making a video?
Yeah. You can still speak to me. Can I have a hug or something? Love you more. You know I love you more. What's she trying to give you? Fefe, you don't want the Oreo, Mama?
Okay, you don't want your Oreo?
Mm-mm.
What do you want me to do with it? I don't eat Oreos. Look, I'm just here to see.
Go throw it away. Pick it up and go throw it away. Yay!
Oh, so you didn't want to touch what I said yet?
All right. You have your dress set?
Yeah.
Oh, that was cool. What you did? I like this outfit on you. That is really cute. This is what you was talking about. My mom said it was 2 different colors.
Yeah.
You know she'll know about no fashion.
But last night she told me to wear these.
She did?
A white shirt.
With a white
Yeah.
shirt?
Yeah.
Girl, I'm so glad you did not do that.
What?
With a white shirt.
I did. This an undershirt.
Oh, you listened to her?
Yeah, it was a plain white shirt. Though.
I know you should just did a black shirt. I think that black
I
shirt.
have no black shirt.
I know. How you feel like being a teenager?
I'm not too rigid.
You got to be.
In January.
I know that, and guess when that is?
In a month.
I know. So how you feel like about to be a teenager? You can tell YouTube how I am the best auntie. I'm not the best auntie.
I didn't say that.
I know, nephew, you think so, but you walked away when I actually tell YouTube. You want me to come over?
No, I don't want to be on the camera.
Oh, okay, it's okay. But you can talk to me like this. So I'm the best auntie?
Yes.
You didn't know what to tell YouTube yet.
No, I don't want nobody to see my camera.
What's wrong with your ears?
Yeah.
Go look at mine. It's in process. How you have to have for Christmas? How you want it?
No, don't just stab it.
You wanna know what I think you should get? That's what you want? I told you I can do you some.
Now, but baby, don't stab the ice cream.
Huh? That's why I told you I could do you something too nice, just not for Christmas.
Why?
Cause Cause.
Why not?
Alright, I just thought you probably wanted Amy Daddy, yeah.
What?
Cause Travis got him.
Why? You want me to get it for you?
Christmas.
Yeah.
Oh,
I really love that jacket though, girl.
like everybody just told me that.
Cause it's cute. It's so cute.
No, why you did that?
You used to do that when you was younger. My baby ain't a baby no more. Please stop. I don't want to. Well, can you stop aging? I want you to go back to being 6. No. So y'all, I'm like really rushing against time because this is about to start getting dark. I'm gonna do pink.
Chi-Chi.
What?
It is only 3 o'clock.
It's about to be 4. It's almost 4. It get dark at 5. I could cut some of it out. I ain't gonna put all of it. Because I'm gonna try to make this 7-minute video, but I may make it into 2 to see all the extra shit, extra stuff that goes in. Yeah, no cursing. You be cursing?
Ooh.
You.
No.
All right, bed night. What you laughing at?
You.
Why? Why is it nothing?
Why you doing? Why you looking at me like that?
Cause I feel some type of way, and when I feel some type of way, we gonna have to discuss it. No. You want me to arch your eyebrow?
Oh, okay.
I could do it. Cut my house Sunday. It ain't gonna be too much cause your mama be tripping. How you getting your nails for Christmas?
I know I'm not getting no black.
I don't know, cause alright you guys, so in my sister's house, she's decorating for Christmas, cause she always have a Christmas party, so so she said, oh, white, get that, like that cocaine white, girl, I'm gonna give you some white nails for Christmas.
I ain't doing no green white.
Cocaine, but it's like, it's real cute though, but you can do white and silver, but they're like, you don't want to get that pearl white, cause that's like old. You want that white. So anyway, so my sister is having she always do Christmas at our house, and so this year she's doing plain white and silver. That's how she's decorating our whole house. So like all her old furniture she got like in the garage or in the office. So now she's like redecorating. I'm not gonna say she's remodeling the house, but she's redecorating it. But so a lot of stuff is like, I would say a lot of stuff, but some like front room stuff is like missing because she gotta put tables and stuff and decorate the tables and all that. Cause every year we have Christmas at her house, so it'd be like my mom, my mom, her kids, you know, like my sister and her children, my other sister who else is for, and her kids, my brother, there's me and my husband, and then there's my 2 aunties, my 2 uncles, my cousins, my other nieces and nephews, my god sister. Well, my god sister is my cousin, but my god sister, I mostly say god sister than cousin. So you know, my god nieces and nephews, they gonna be here. So yeah, it's gonna be real busy. It's gonna be real packed. I can't say we kind of like big, but it's like more separate, it's like within the group. But we not extra. Some of them are extra. I'm not gonna include. I'm not including myself in nothing. You hear me? You heard me. I'm not extra. I am not extra. I don't remember what you. I don't know what you're talking about. I don't recall. So, like, cause my great grandmother, rest her soul, she died like a year or 2 ago. But she had about 21 kids, I believe. That's a free snack.
Yeah.
Okay, I said it wrong. A fruit snack. I was at fruit snack. I told you I'm gonna go this way.
You want one?
Yeah, I do. That's why I said something. The whole thing? Oh, thank you, girl. Alright. Make sure I got no hair in my hand. Hey, baby girl. Can I have a hug? Yeah, y'all probably like, oh, yeah, you asking everybody for a hug. But that's what me and my niece and nephew always love to do.
You do it.
Yeah. What you want to say? Put your face in. Yeah, baby.
Bye.
You know who I ain't hear from or hear about in a long time? Cross the street. Who I ain't hear about?
Alexander?
Yeah. I thought his name was Xavier. But I haven't seen them over here in them 2
Yeah,
months.
remember me.
Yeah, it was nice.
From
It's been like 2
me
weeks
doing
ago.
my TT makeup.
Yeah, this was my niece who did my makeup. And you saw the mommy me makeover, whatever. You see the bad child right here.
Yep. Get the spoon.
Oh, let me get you something. Come on.
Give them some too.
That want something too? No. She's like, girl, give her a fruit snack.
Wait, man. Good as fuck.
You got homework?
I'm there.
My third oldest niece, who we just saw to talk to did my makeup. She the third oldest. Yeah, because Jay should have born a week before her. So, what happened? Y'all, every time she come home, like, she'll get my little niece, because my little niece, like, love her older sister. So she'll go play with her. About 5 minutes later, she be running like, TT, come get her. I can't. Like, no. Because that baby, she be terrorizing everybody. Like, she terrorized them. You doing a Macarena?
From what?
1 little, 2 little, 3 Macarena. Hold on, I don't even know how it go. So it's like 1 little, 2 little, 3 Macarena, 4 little, 5 little, 6 Macarena, 7 little, 8 little, 9 Macarena, and Macarena. I don't know, but I know it's like 1 little, 2 little, 3, and they go 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. I don't know. We can watch it.
Yeah, also.
Y'all want an Oreo cookie? Y'all, let me tell y'all about this niece of mine. This one right here. She love chocolate. It could be chocolate chip cookies, Oreos, cake, chocolate ice cream. Like if it's chocolate, she loves it. And then it's the thing, like, she bake her own cookies. So she do like a dozen each time, and then she like, how many cookies y'all want? So she can figure out how many she gonna have. So she go around before she start eating and be like, how many you gonna eat? How many you gonna eat? And I be like, sometimes I'm like, nah, I'm not gonna eat no cookies. But these last few weeks, y'all, her cookies are really good. So I'm like, hey, give me 1, give me 2, give me 3, give me something. But she always eat at least like 5 of them. I be trying to stop her, but I don't know. What? What you saying? You do what? You do what? Says who?
Malay. Go get him, man. Go get him.
Go get him. Go get him, Mama. Go get him.
Go get him, back.
But yeah, y'all, let me cut this short because I don't want to be too long. So I just want to say thank y'all for just tuning in. Say bye-bye. Say bye. Little Cookie Monster. Say cheese. Say bye-bye. All right, bye.